Dr. Harsha De Silva charges that the public has been made to face serious difficulties owing to the incorrect economic policies of the government. Silva points out that the country's foreign reserves have declined as a consequence of the measures taken to artificially maintain the exchange rate and interest rate. Dr. Harsha De Silva states that the current economic problems have cropped up due to the government's desire to honor the conditions agreed with the International Monetary Fund in order to obtain the remaining tranches of the IMF standby facility.
You know, we have been saying this for the last 9 months, that the unintelligent economic management of the government was the cause for this dramatic increase in prices that the people of this country will have to be burdened with. So essentially it was bad economic management. We said the problem was with the artificially low interest rates and the artificially high exchange rates. By combining these two things, the government created a massive problem in the balance of payments in the trade account. We saw a huge trade deficit. In spite of all that, the government wanted to keep the rupee at that arbitrary 110. Niwar Cabral kept selling down the reserves. From about $8 billion, it has come down to $5.5 billion. By selling down the reserves, you created a liquidity problem in the money markets. Instead of letting the interest rates increase, the central bank printed more than 200 billion rupees in terms of treasury bills held by the central bank. Anybody can see that. The central bank finally realized it didn't have enough reserves to sell down. Thereafter, it went to the IMF and said, look, we need to get the full complement of the loan that was agreed upon. There was $800 million more to come. The IMF said, look, we can give you the money, but ensure that you live up to the agreement that you signed with us. Points in particular was to ensure net international reserves, in other words, non-borrowed reserves. It had to go up. Second condition was to ensure that the combined losses of the Ceylon Petroleum Corporation and the Ceylon Electricity Board was brought down to zero. And those two things had to be done.
It is in this backdrop that Dr. Harsha De Silva requests the government to minimize its wasteful expenses in order to minimize the severe economic suffering faced by the people owing to the increase in fuel prices, electricity tariffs and many other goods and services.
අපි වහාම බල කරන ආණ්ඩුවට මිහින්ය ආයතනය හෙට වහන්න කියලා. ඒකේ පාඩුව විතරක් දැනට කෝටි 1400යි.
We are demanding the government to shut down Mihin Air tomorrow. The loss made by Mihin Air alone is 14 billion rupees. This is excluding year 2011 since reports pertaining to that year have not been released. Plans are being formulated to construct a tower at a cost of $110 million US. We are asking for this 13 billion from the government. Don't spend this 13 billion. Stop the wasteful expenses by spending 13 billion here and 13 billion there. Formulate a mechanism through which that money can be used to help people live.
අනවශ්‍ය වියදම් ආණ්ඩුව වහාම නවත්තලා ඒව ජනතාවට ජීවත් වෙන්න පුළුවන් විදිහේ ක්‍රමවේදයකට ඒ මුදල් යොදවන්න කියලා.